This is not your grandma's rice pudding. Well, technically I suppose it's somebody's grandma's rice pudding, but it's not our grandma's rice pudding. But it is the recipe that our family loves, and we use it whenever we have leftover rice. We turn that into rice pudding. So we always tend to make a little extra rice so that we can have a little rice pudding later. But you don't have to have leftover rice. Just cooking rice for this is fine. And the simplest way to do that is I'm just gonna be using one of the packets of rice right here. Now, this is a good size packet. It's probably like a family size, because 1 cup of uncooked rice will equal about 3 cups of cooked rice. And this is going to generate about 3.5 cups of cooked rice. Super simple, goes in the microwave for 2 minutes. Be back in a second. It's been 2 minutes. I've got the rice, dumping that into a bowl. To that, I'm going to be adding 2 egg yolks, not the whole eggs, just 2 egg yolks. Half a cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, and half a teaspoon vanilla. Gonna mix that all up. I can smell that vanilla. Love the smell of vanilla. That is looking terrific. Now I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I've got a pre-greased 9x9 baking dish. I don't think that's the important part. It'll just depend on how thick or thin it is, depending on your baking dish. I'm gonna take my mixture here, dump it into the 9x9. Get that smoothed out. That is looking terrific. Make sure I've got every last little bite here. And into the oven for 1 hour. We'll be back shortly. It's been an hour. I pulled it out. It's been cooling down for just a moment. It's like still really, really hot. But let's give this a taste. Here goes. Now, of course, best way to have this is with a little whipped cream on top. Let's give this a try. This is really awesome. Truly is. I don't care whose grandmother came up with this. This is really good. You've got to try this, y'all. If you're liking the video, give me a like down below, maybe a subscription. Leave me a comment. Love my comments, especially if you tell me where in the world you're commenting from. And the recipe will be down below in the description. Thanks for tuning in. I will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye. Here you go, guns. Good boy.